All right, today we're gonna do something a little bit different. I'm gonna show you exactly how to get your real estate license in California. Usually I make videos studying for the Real Estate California Salesperson exam, but I've gotten some feedback and emails, and I know it's confusing. Where do I start? What do I do? And how do I get the process rolling? So this video will teach you step by step how to get your real estate license in California. The first thing that we're gonna do is go over all the steps real quick, and then I will screen share each website and what to click on and what to do so you can get your real estate license in California in 2025. So let's go over these easy steps real quick, and then we'll go more in depth each step by step. The first step is you need to complete 135 hours of approved pre-license education for your state. So in this case, it would be California. It's 135 hours. There's 3 courses that are 45 hours each. Each course will have its own final exam. So that would be 3 final exams for the 3 courses that are 45 hours each. Once you pass all 3 of those final exams, then you will go to the California DRE website and apply to take the real estate salesperson license exam and apply for your license at the same time. I recommend applying for both at the same time. There is an option to do each of them separately. Take the exam first and then apply for your license, but there is a waiting period for each part, so you want to do them both at the same time. In order to pass the exam, you need 70%. So I recommend you study a lot of the vocab and test questions. We have a bunch of videos down below if you need help studying. After you pass the exam and you pass the state license application process, which includes a background check, you will get your license, and then the only thing that you need to do is find a sponsoring broker to work with. Choosing the right broker is crucial to your success. Make sure you want to research, network, and connect with brokers who align with your goals. And that's the simple and easy way to get your real estate license in California. Now let's go more in depth. Okay, as mentioned before, you want to take 3 prerequisite courses. These are 45 hours each, 135 hours total. You might be thinking, where do I go? How do I do it? What do I do? You can take these online or you can take these offline. Me personally, I did online courses. I actually have an affiliate link down below to the exact courses that I use. I think they're great. You learn a lot, and they come with exam prep for the final exam. All right, here I am on the Calibri Real Estate website. Like I mentioned before, this is the website that I use to get my license. You'd want to go get licensed, California. This is where you get your 3 prerequisite courses. I would just go for the exam prep. You get your 135 hours pre-licensing course. You get state and proof instructor. And then you want the simulated exams, the flashcards, the readiness tracker, and the pass or pay guarantee. If you do enroll in this, I do have a code BERK40. Please use that. It helps support the channel. You get 40% off everything. If you already passed your prerequisite courses, you can go to the exam prep and you can select your state, California, and just get the prep only. This is assuming that you've already passed your prerequisite courses and now you're only studying for the final exam from the California DRE. Okay, once you've passed all 3 of your prerequisite courses and you've passed each final exam per course, you want to go on the California DRE website. There's a link below to the California DRE. You want to go to the eLicensing portal. This is exactly what it looks like. You're going to sign up for an account. Have an eLicensing account. You just sign up. You guys have registered for things before. It's easy. Once you are signed up, once you pass your 3 prerequisite courses and you've passed each final exam per course, they'll give you a certificate every time you pass. So you have 3 certificates. You submit them to the California DRE, and then they will let you go to the exam page and schedule your exam. So that's where we're at right now. Exam services, schedule a new salesperson exam, continue. You pick your location. I'd go Fresno, Los Angeles, and now we have dates. The closest date for me right now, 7/5/7/17. As you know, if you've been watching the channel, I don't think I'm ready to take the test yet. I have been studying with you guys. I've made multiple videos on test questions and vocab words. I think we're getting there soon, but we're not there yet. The thing about getting to this part of scheduling the exam, it takes usually 3 to 4 weeks after you pass your prerequisite courses. So we want to check how long, and then there's a link below to this. What are the current processing times of the sales exam? So we recommended earlier that you do the sales combo exam/license. And right now, as of June 23rd, they're processing people that applied on June 1st. So that would be about 3 weeks, like I said. So If you want to expedite the process, I would do the sales combo exam / license, because if you only do exam only, look, they're behind on exam only, and then you'll have to wait the 3 weeks, and then you'll have to do the sales license only, and then you'll have to wait another 2 weeks. As mentioned before, after you pass the exam, you'll be applying for your license. The application for the license process does include a criminal background check. All right, so we're back to scheduling the exam. We've waited 3 weeks, and now we're scheduling the exam. To pass the exam, you need 70% to pass the exam. So if I go take this on Thursday, I need to get 70%. The exam is 150 questions. I believe you have 3 hours to take it, and you need to get a 70%. That is 105 out of 150 questions correct. If you manage to get that, congratulations, you now are able to practice real estate in California. Once you get your license in the mail, the next and final step is to find a sponsoring broker. I'm sure you've heard of Keller Williams, Real, all these other companies. You can go interview with them. Make sure you find the right one that fits your needs and your goals, and that will help you out as a new agent. I want to show you guys one more thing. This is a PDF that's actually on the DRE website that also goes step by step exactly what you need to do. I will link this down below too. Let's take a look at it real quick. We'll move that over. We'll zoom in a little bit. And we are going on the left side, the salesperson license. So step 1, determine if eligible. We need to take our 3 college level courses, 45 hours. We went over that. Step 2, if we're doing that exam only, which I don't recommend because you'll be waiting longer. You take the exam, submit the fees, schedule the exam, and then you have to apply for a license after you pass the exam, and then you get your license issued. If you do the combo, exam and license, submit the fees, schedule the exam, license issued. So you are saving about 3 weeks of time if you do the combo. But I will link this PDF down below. You guys can read it, what you need to do too on this, if you haven't already figured it out from this video. All right, so this video, it was a little bit different than the videos that we normally do. This was just a basic overall helpful guide to get you started on your path to get your California real estate license. If you've already passed your 3 prerequisite courses and you need help studying for the exam, that's currently what I'm in the process of doing. I am studying for the exam. I have practice exam test questions, practice exam vocabulary, all in playlist down below. That's the main purpose of this channel, but I wanted to get you guys started from the very beginning. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this little switch up, and I hope I alleviated some fears and gave you the confidence to start the process of getting your real estate license in California. Please subscribe for more real estate exam content.